If you are struggling with how to open zip files in Microsoft Windows, here we will discuss very simple way to extract zip files. So let's see the step-by-step process. Select zip file and click on right button in the mouse. Choose extract all option. In this window click on browse button, and select a destination path where you will be extracted to this folder. Now click extract button to start unzip process. After complete process you can see your unzip file or folder. If your zip files are corrupted, then try professional Aryson zip repair software. Now let's know how to work on the software.
We have two options which are discussed here to repair zip file. Let's start with first, click on browse button and choose you zip file that you need to repair and click open button. Press next button. Select recovery mode. Click next. Now you can see here recover data of the selected zip file. To move forward press next for save data. In this window you will find the option to select the destination path. Check in box if you want save output file in original file folder, else by browsing to the location. Now click save button. And close the application. If you have multiple file, go for select multiple files option and click next. Select recovery mode. Press the add files button and select multiple zip files from your system. The selected file will add it and click next. Now browse the destination location to save the output file. And click on save button to save your file. Close the application. Log on to given product page for more details. For query, to contact with us. Thanks for watching video.